We're going to simplify 2 over x minus 3 over 2y plus 3 over 5x minus 1 over 4y. First thing at first, I need a common denominator. So that means everything on the bottom needs to be the same. And I've got 4 terms. Let's start with the coefficients. I've got 2, 5, and 4. My least common denominator of those 3 numbers is going to be 20. So I'm going to have a 20 on the bottom of everything. I've got x and y, so I need 20xy on the bottom of everything, so that they're all the same and we can add and subtract them. In order to get x to 20xy, I've got to multiply the top and the bottom by 20y. That gives us 40y on top.